any Twitter, your profile will be going to trend on your viral. Your tweet, any post will go to viral on your Twitter option. That is called based on your location wise and based on your places wise. Suppose today is the option call is Thursday. That is, they already give option call is Hyderabad trending news. My post only for trending Hyderabad, sent by Hyderabad trend. Or else I can trend my news by total India. I target by total India. Change your trending. The option call is India. All cities. Click for done. So in this, we have the news will be here. So these are the total news. In this, we have the one news is called, this is your hashtag. So we'll come into latest post. So they're going to live by your option. So in this, I'm select option call is hashtag. I'm not doing any kind of post. Simply click for retweets. And using by the election 2019. Now click for tweet. Existing tweet I can show by in the my Twitter profile. Select your tweet. Done by tweet here. You can see, carefully watch. Just put your option. Come into refresh. So this is a trending. So my post will be trending or not. You can check here. What is the option when you are posting for 25 seconds? If anybody click for in this hashtag, so automatically my post will be showing for in a latest. That is called every second will be updating. So will be 19 hours. This will be now, now, now. Trending or not? Will be trending on India. So while selecting for same option, copy. Always my tweet will be trending. Select by. Just I'm not doing anything. Just while posting for trending news, that is called I'm doing for retweet. That is people call the my profile also will be going to trending. So in this trending purpose, we can do one more option also there. One more option also there. That is called based on the trendings. See what are the trending posts will be here. So I can set it by here. So you can writing for today will be Thursday. You can reading for every option. Thursday cut. Thursday vibes and Thursday. Click for tweet. Your week also going to trend. That will be showing for your options. Your trend by your options. So what are the trending options are there? Trend by your option will be here. Next, I can trend my news by only for Hyderabad. Click for done. Now refresh. Here I am searching for in this option. Select your tweet, copy this one, click for tweet. So what are the trending will be there? I'm selecting for trending option. Is it clear? So they're using for Beamavaram. So why showing for Beamavaram? Always we showing for hashtag. Select by Beamavaram. So you can using by hashtag. And what are the trending posts by always? So this will be writing for Bhimavaram. They're writing for Gajuvaka Genesis and time to accept the defeat, but not at the end of the journey. They're writing for some option. Copy, latest. So people are posting for. It's like a CSF fans blaming for Ambani are impressed to their loss by JSP. So people are posting for the updates election for this one. So this is all your kind of postings on your using hashtags. So this news I can post by your own video. Own video. Simple. First of all, we can go to YouTube. With your own video. People are watching for different kind of things. Select it. Select this video. Copy the URL. Go to option call is YouTube to FD.com. Convert. Select by the two hashtags. One is Bhimavaram. Share. I can use my own hashtag to promote by the my own video. And election 2019. Tweet. This will be go to your tweet. So I'm threatening for Bhimavaram. You can see the my tweet coming to latest. So here, in this, once my tweet done, check the tweets. First we check the tweet. The tweet will be posting or not. Select it. So posting is done. Posting is done. Now select by Bhimavaram. How many? 46.7 seconds. The tweet engagement will be two process. One is called retweet. Second will be using hashtag. Third one will be called end of username. Three options. One is called retweets. Second using by hashtag. Third one using for username. So how many times our username will be using for @? The automatic coming to trending. That is called, I'll show here. So how many people are tweet about the hashtags? This will be here. How many people are trending for 2006 tweets? So Jay Bharat. This is called tweet about the Jagan. Jagan. They're pushing for so many people's. The automatic going to trend. Ash, Ameti, Modi Sweep, BJP HQ, Amriti J. So these are using for @. How to know? Simple. Select your name. That is called one is a retweet or using for @. Retweet and using for rate. Automatically they're going to for trending. So you go to latest post. What is called rate? What is called rate? So clear? This is the option for when you are using for Twitter, tweet and viral your Twitter page. That is called what are the viral is going on. That you will be using for tweet by posting on your Twitter wall. Automatically your post will be going to viral on your Twitter page. The people are watching on your option.